Okay, boys, are you still down for that camping trip?
Yeah, I'm down.
I'm down too.
All right, what do we need to pack?
We're gonna need some sleeping bags, a s'mores kit, some pillows, and probably a couple more things.
Wait, should we all bring our own individual tents, or should we just camp in one massive tent?
We're gonna camp in a massive one. I just got the world's biggest tent, and it's the greatest one this country has ever seen.
Let's fucking go.
Should I bring some board games for the trip?
Bro, nobody plays board games when they camp. We're gonna tell campfire stories.
I have some really good scary campfire stories ready.
Okay, but make sure they're not too scary.
Sorry, Joe, these are gonna be insanely scary campfire stories, and on top of that, we're going to the most haunted campsite in the world.
Why would we do that?
Yeah, that's sketch.
It'll make the campfire stories even more exciting.
All right, I'm down, but Joe, you should bring your heart attack pills.
Yeah, I'm definitely bringing them.
We are gonna make camping great again.